Sometimes Google Sheet may have some hidden columns or data. So let's see how we can identify whether there is any hidden columns or hidden data is there. This is on of a sample Google org sheet or Google Sheet. And here we see there are a couple of columns of data. Now there is a column like A, B, C in this way. Our goal was to find the hidden columns if there is. So here you see this column is similar A, B, C, and there is very clean thing is there. There is nothing, no arrow or something like this. Only there is a small triangle which is going down, something like that, or going up like that. But check carefully here. There are two extra arrow is there. For others column there is no arrow, but for this case there is a column here, left and right. That means there is some data is there or some column is there which is hidden. To make it visible, we just need to click here and it will be expanded, and these are the hidden columns which we saw here. So basically when we see that type of arrow, that means there is a hidden column, and to unlock that we just need to click over there and it will be expanded, and the data or value of those columns will be visible after clicking over there, and then it will be visible. That means no more hidden. And if we want to hide again, we just need to select the columns and then right click and hide it again by choosing this option, hide columns, D2E, and here you see the arrows are there. That means the columns are again hidden.